coming next week, there is a probability that EJ will pull out of this structure and come down here. There's a very high probability that EJ will pull to that structure. You want to see price pull back into 1 hour floor. So you pull back into 1 hour floor around here. It's going to be a buy. But also bear in mind that price can break this structure and return here and get back. pulling out of a trend line is a common thing for trade. The reason it pulls out of the trend line is it's part of how trade is programmed. And when you look at the structure from here, you see you have here as a support structure, 1 hour support, 1 hour supply, 1 hour support, another 1 hour support. So breaking out of this structure will make sense. You might enter here for a buy, will draw you down to this place. And at the end of the day, you will see the market again, or at the end of the week. So I'm looking, if you come in here and here is respected, don't be long. Market might pull out of the structure. Come down. You already have the structure at the bottom, the demand floor. That's technically 1 hour demand floor. So that's one aspect of the trade for EJ. So EJ, we're anticipating two buys on here and here. But we want the market to start. I want to see the run and see how price dips itself into the structure. I think at the moment the market will continue to drop, or what it will do as market opens, the market might go up, it tests the structure again. If it breaks the structure, then it starts to drift up. That's what it will do. But if it goes to that structure and it gets respected again, the market will come down here and attempt up again, giving you a nice buy opportunity for the day. And there's also a clause to that the market will come there after testing the roof. It will now break the floor and return here on ideal floor for a buy. So the sentiment for Eurjpy is favoring Euro. Now let's look at other parameters in our arsenal to see if we have a clue in 1 hour. In 1 hour is showing the demand at this level in 45 minutes, in 30 minutes, showing resistance at 15 minutes, showing resistance at 15 minutes. 1 hour showing support. On 2 hours is showing the demand on this floor, which tallies with my structure. On 2 hours is showing the demand on this floor, and as the trade opens, the market is moving. This will adjust itself to come towards the support area, indicating that this could be a valid buy floor where you have a green structure. On 3 hours is pointing at here, at a breakout from the ascending trend line. It's telling you that on 3 hours, so these are probabilities in the trade using the EMAs. First of all, we work on the structure. After the structure, then we'll now put EMA and to use it to guide your buyers. You need further confirmation. Further confirmation is what you need. So you see the market is pointing towards this area on EMA hand, and 3 hours we got that confirmation. And 4 hours is still saying the same thing, that you could have a pull out onto this area for a potential buy opportunity. So I was right. We didn't see it, but I know after making your chart, you employ it. Expert advice. There's nothing wrong in using it. There's nothing technically wrong, but don't start with it. Do not start with it. They are just there for a reason. Do what you want to. When you are done, then you now put it under. See what it can give you. On our SMA, we're looking at our SMA. We have here a support structure on 4 hours and 3 hours. We're getting a way deeper out support, and on 2 hours we're finding a support level here on the SMA. The SMA is giving you that the green box 161,699 is a potential buy floor. That will react, market will react at that area, but it might not really hold so much. It might come back and break it. But for here, I'm guaranteed that the price returning to this 1 hour floor as bear witnessed by the SMA and bear witnessed by the EMA. And we are seeing, you can see the green EMA hand here, indicating that as price comes into this zone, most likely the 200 EMA is going to do, the 200 SMA structure is going to assist the current ascending trend line holding price. So we have a 3 confirmation to buy on this level. Then these things are very misleading. That is why Initially, I didn't accept it, but part of my deeper research in the market and what the services of that. So the next thing we're going to look at is the RSI divergent. RSI divergent is the next thing we're going to look at. So the RSI divergent, we're looking for a buy opportunity. And what that sell done, that sell is done. You can see that sell over there. Can be there. See that sell over there. So the both of them have also generated self. We're looking for a buy opportunity in the RSI divergent. So there is a probability that price dip closer into the tally with the ascending trend line, giving you a buy opportunity. So the RSI divergent also. So I'll be hoping for Eurjpy buy next week. I will be light here and be heavy here, anticipating a breakout from the ascending trend line. But most likely the RSI divergent has already given you a clue. I have a buy clue here. We have another buy clue. Sell clue. So that's what we see. So we allow it. Let's have a double confirmation. We have a confirmation of the SMA. The SMA is giving us a clue. We have a clue buy here. We have a clue buy here. We have a RSI divergent clue buy. And price it deep down into the structure. Let it come down more. If it comes down more, then it will also come down to the demand floor at 161,620. 161,620. You could see a potential buy opportunity, and that will actually put some food on the table for Monday. So that's what we have for now, and let's keep them all in principle, and it is what it is.